Good day, my name's Vijay. I'm a web developer and an avid WordPress user from Melbourne, Australia. I've been using WordPress since around 2007 and I absolutely love it. Welcome to WordPress 101, an easy to follow tutorial for beginners. I guess you don't need to be a techie to use and manage WordPress. In this comprehensive video series, I'll be covering everything you need to get started, including what WordPress is, how it works, what it costs, how to install it on your own site or on a local machine, such as this version that I have. Then we will dive deep and have a look at the WordPress backend and how to manage your site using the WordPress backend. You'll learn how to create posts and pages. You'll learn how to add, edit, and delete content using this new block editor. This includes rich media like videos, pics, FAQs, tables, and more. We will learn to design pages and manage them using blocks. We will also learn about customizing your site, managing users, modifying your themes, adding plugins, and a lot more. In addition, you'll be supported by detailed tutorial pages for each video. And feel free to ask me any questions and I'm happy to create videos on more topics for you. Alright, let's get started.